I am at Stonebridge Plaza, Unit 1103. Let's go inside. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath unit. 1103, so it's on the 11th floor. Nice great room. Got the wood floors, ceramic tile in the kitchen, granite countertops, tile backsplash, appliances included, island. So plenty of space for dining, little office area. Got a balcony overlooking downtown Cleveland. And it also overlooks the Cuyahoga River. And if you're not from Cleveland, the river, large ships come down this river, and it is quite the scene to see because it looks like a little river and the ships are huge. So it's very interesting. Washer dryer. This is utility closet, coat closet. This is the main bath, a shared bath. So we've got shower tub combo. It's a deep tub. This is the owner's suite. Good size room. Room for furniture, beds, master bath, tile shower, tile floor. Good size walk-in closet. And we have the spare bedroom, which is in the back, currently being used as a office. But with, it's got the closet and plenty of room here too. That's all I got, thanks.